Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add or adjust borders in Figma. This is a fundamental skill that will help you create cleaner, more defined designs, whether you're working on interface elements, frames, or any visual component that needs a distinctive outline. First things first, go ahead and open your Figma application. Once Figma loads up, you'll need to open the file or project where you want to add or adjust borders. This could be any existing design you're working on or a brand new project. Take a moment to navigate to the right file so you're ready to start making changes. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, let's create a simple shape to demonstrate how borders work. Look toward the bottom of your screen where you'll find the shape tools. Click on the rectangle icon and then add a rectangle onto your frame. This rectangle will serve as the element we'll be adding borders to, but remember, these same steps apply to any shape or text element you create in Figma. With your rectangle selected, this is where the magic happens. To add borders, make sure you have the element clicked, then direct your attention to the right side panel where you'll find various design properties. Look for the section labeled Stroke. Right beside it, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon. This action adds a border, or what Figma calls a stroke, to your selected element, and just like that, you now have borders applied to your shape. But we're not done yet. Let's customize this border to fit your design needs. To adjust the appearance, click on the color selector next to the stroke setting. This opens up a color picker where you can choose any color you want for your border. Whether you need a subtle gray outline or a bold, vibrant accent color, you have complete control here. Simply click and adjust the color until it matches your vision. Next, you'll want to adjust the thickness of your border. Look for the option labeled Weight right below where you selected the color. By clicking on the weight value, you can type in a specific number or use the slider to increase or decrease how thick or thin your border appears. A higher number creates a bolder, more prominent border, while a lower number gives you a thinner, more delicate outline. Experiment with different values until you find the perfect balance for your design. And that's it. You've successfully added and adjusted borders in Figma. Now you can apply this technique to any element in your designs to create more structure and visual hierarchy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.